back, my YouTube friends. I interrupt your Saturday morning when I normally don't post job leads to bring you another daily work from home job lead. I wanted to get this one out and share it before it's gone. I did not want to hold on to it till Monday because the company North American Bancard, they have hired a data entry specialist in the past, but I've only seen this data entry position come available 2 to 3 times in the last 2 years. They're not one of those companies that have a lot of turnover. This opportunity only comes up like every 6 to 8 months, and I just saw it when I was drinking my coffee and scrolling on job boards, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you. Of course, this is a non-phone position, and the links to my webpage where you can get to all of these pages that I'm sharing is in the YouTube description box below this video. If you like data entry non-phone job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course, share with all your friends and family. Now, North American Bancard, they do like payment processing, like credit card payment processing, mobile payment processing, back-end processing for bigger businesses. They do have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars with 334 reviews. And again, they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is nationwide remote for the United States. It's going to be completely non-phone. They're looking for somebody who will focus on accurate and timely data entry of merchant applications. Remember, they do payment processing. So all the merchants that they payment process for, they're got to sign up for the payment processing services. And so all of those applications of those merchants signing up, you're going to be entering their information into a database, just adhering to all the policies. So what you're going to do is receive and prepare these new merchant account applications for underwriting review. You'll organize the submitted paperwork in review for a physical file, organizing in an electronic file as well, because this is completely remote. It'll probably be all electronic files. You'll just perform due diligence, checking all of those documents, making sure they're in accordance with the brand policies and industry standards, and pull personal credit reports when needed. You'll key the application information into the software system. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has strong typing or data entry skills, because you've got to make sure everything gets into the computer system correctly. You've got to have great attention to detail and strong email communication skills. Again, no phone is required. If you're missing information, you'll get that information through email. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. I did some digging on Glassdoor and could not find any estimated pay, but they do state they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.